Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm here with another brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make adjustable power supply from PSU, or how to convert PSU into adjustable power supply. So guys, you will need the following materials to make an adjustable power supply. These are the materials that I'm going to use in this project, and this is the voltmeter. It will show the voltage. So check out my previous video in which I have made a selectable power supply, but at this time I'm going to make some difference from the older version. So this is the new version of my project, and the materials names and everything are in the description down below. You can see the materials names and everything in the description. The material list is in the description. So guys, for making adjustable power supply we will need a PCB board. To make the circuit using this volume, we will adjust our voltage with this potentiometer, and we will need to make PCB circuits. So circuit diagram will show up on the screen, and you can make it your own circuit with the help of this circuit diagram. So guys, I am going to make the circuit that I have shown on the screen. Just follow the circuit diagram and my video, and you will make your own adjustable power supply from PSU. So guys, one thing I am going to tell you, that unplug all AC sources before you opening this, and be very careful with the capacitors that may have a very large of capacity and charge over there. So be careful with those capacitors and don't touch all these circuits. So guys, let's get started, and I'm not going to talk anymore. It takes too time to make the video and the video will be longer, so that's why I'm not going to talk anymore, and I will speed up the video. Just follow my video and circuit diagram, so with that you can make your own adjustable power supply from this PSU. So let's get started. Hey guys, as you can see, my project is completed and now it is in front of you that it is ready for use, and we have done our project. This is the voltmeter and these are the two binding poles to give us a output voltage, and this is the adjustable volume, and this is on off button. These buttons connected from AC wires. So let's check something with this. I hope it will work fine. I'm going to plug the power cable. So I have plugged. It is indicator for AC current. Now it's off. Now I'm going to press this button down. It will, as you can see, it is giving 21, means it is full to 21 volt. Now it's 1.2 volt. Let's get to the 6 volt. Here you go, it's 6. As you can see, it's 6 volt. If you want 12 volt, here you go, it's 12 volt. So here is the adjustable power supply, and it is we succeeded. Maximum voltage is 21.8, almost 22. So it is perfect, pretty cool. Thumbs up guys. And let's check something with this. I'm going to check these fans. Let's slow down the voltage. I'm going to start with 1.2 volt. As you can see, it is connected and 1.2 volt is not working, so I'm going to increase the voltage. As you can see, it is started 3.3 volt, 5 volt, just focus on the sound by increasing the voltage. It sounds like a car. It's working fine, and it is our DIY adjustable power supply. So guys, this was the video, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends. Give this video over 1000 likes. That would be so amazing. Please, if I deserve like, so give me a thumbs up, give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will bring more things like this. And also check out my previous video. In that video I have made I have converted PSU into selectable power supply. Now at this time it is different from the older one, so it is good. Guys, I'm very happy that I have converted PSU into adjustable power supply. It makes me too happy that there are a lot of power supplies in the market available, that the company made it, and so I'm so happy that I have made my own. So, and show to you guys how to make this one, and follow the circuit diagram and my video, and you will make your own DIY adjustable power supply. So give this video thumbs up, please. So please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on notification, so you will be notified every single video that I upload. So thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Thanks.